Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to visit lychee farm. Yes, lychee is very juicy and I love this fruit. This is my favorite fruit and I found that there is one lychee farm near to my university and I can visit there. Actually, this lychee farm is very near to us. It is only 7 kilometers from the university. So we just took the bus and we went there, and this is the look of the lychee farm. Inside you can see there are lychees and it looks so yummy, and I was so excited, so I wear sari. So we all four friends visited this place together, and this is our group picture. Do let me know in the comment that how am I looking in this sari. This is pink color Laheria Jaipuri sari, and I didn't miss the chance to act like a 90s heroine, because you can see I put this video as a black and white and this is my picture in color. So I enjoyed that day and this sari made my day very special. So this is my lychee farm visit last Sunday, and let me tell you one thing: when you start visiting this farm, in the beginning of the farm there are some people you need to pay some admission fee or registration fee or something, whatever, to get inside the farm. We paid around 150 Taiwan new dollar, and after that they mentioned that we need to pay the amount of lychee we are going to buy at the end of the visit. So this is the lychee farm, and you can see the lychees are there. Actually they mentioned, can you see this front tree? Yeah, this tree has more lychee and this is more juicy also. So you know what, they told us that they are not letting us to go inside that tree area because that is more expensive lychee, but we tried to convince them, and then we visited and you can see the lychee from that juicy lychee tree. So we found that lychee is more expensive because it is very tasty. So the mistake we start doing that time, that we start eating the lychee, and that was the biggest mistake we did, because the first time we just tasted one lychee and after that we start eating one by one, and then oh my god, the lychee was so tasty, we can't stop ourselves and we couldn't resist the taste of the lychee. And yeah, so we had a lot of lychee that day, and after that we went to the highest point of the farm, and you can see this is the peak, and the bottom area, these all trees are lychees tree. I didn't miss the chance to take picture here at the peak of the mountain. And yeah, this is our visit for the lychee farm in Taiwan. I would like to know that would you like to eat lychee if you go to the farm just like us? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.